Here's our 2008 Cadillac CTS. It's all-wheel drive. It does have the direct injection motor. We have put the CTS-V front end on it with the front bumper cover, all the innards, the rebar and liners, and then it has the CTS-V hood as well. It does have the HID headlights and fog lights. The 18-inch wheels. You can see this front wheel here has a little bit of curb rash there. Just a little nick there. You can hardly see it, but there's a little tiny dimple in the paint there, or in the fender. Paint's fine. Again, there's another little tiny dimple there. Just looks like somebody might have bumped into it. Just another little dimple there. Back side here, there's a paint chip on the lower rear cover. One more right there. Looks like there's another one in that corner. And then up along the top edge here, you can see a few more dimples. Not enough to fix it, but they are there. And then on the driver door handle, there's a smudge. It looks like a lot of that would buff off. This front rim here, see there's a little nick there, little curb rash there, little curb rash there. Going back to the rear, you can see there's a little bit of the silver paint that's peeling there and there, a little scratch there. We do have a couple of extra of these rims laying around, so if you wanted to keep this particular rim on there, we could probably work that into the deal. And this one here, yeah, you can see a little nick there and there. The tire tread itself, I don't know if you can see in there or not, to me it looks like there's I don't know, about half tread left, 60%, somewhere in there. Does have the moonroof. Interior is pretty clean. The back seats do fold down. And we'll go for a little drive. This car does have the smart key fob. There's cup holders here. Little storage there. Does have heated and cooled seats. Your moonroof controls and your home link. Navigation. See on the car itself, there is no lights. That's not supposed to be on. Runs just fine. Full tank of gas. And there is currently 56,738 miles. Got my seatbelt on, and away we'll go. Going about 35 miles an hour. We're going down a straight road. Take my hands off the wheel. You can see no shimmies, no shakes. We're still going straight, not touching it, and no problems with the alignment whatsoever. The car has been aligned by our local body shop. And once we get up here, this road straightens out again. I'll let go of the wheel and hit the brakes. Does not pull, steering wheel doesn't move. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us.